So you want to sell your house this year. It's very exciting. So there are two big things we're going to really focus on when it comes to selling your house. One, getting the house prepared. Two, pricing it right. Getting the house prepared is one of those things that I think a lot of sellers now feel they can kind of skip because the demand for houses is so high. Sure, you can skip it, but please don't. We want buyers to walk in and think that your house is the best thing they've seen, and we want them to fight for it. You will not have as many interested buyers if your house is in disrepair and doesn't show well. On top of that, we want those buyers to see your house and think, I could skip an inspection contingency on this one because it's in such great shape. Skipping an inspection contingency will be huge for you as a seller because it means that once the buyer signs the initial purchase agreement to you and you sign off on it, you're done. The buyer has no further cancellation rights and the purchase will move forward provided that the financing goes through. So get the house ready. Second thing, pricing. We're seeing a huge increase in pricing right now. It's not uncommon at all for homes to sell 10% over listing, sometimes even more. So we're going to talk about two different pricing strategies for you. One, pricing it where it really should be listed, or two, pricing it where we think it will actually sell. And again, that can be a 10% swing in this market. Each strategy has different advantages and disadvantages, so we'll look really closely at the comparables. We'll look at your reasons for selling and what your motivation is and how quickly you need to get things done, and we'll figure it out together. Call me, of course, and we'll talk through any additional details.